Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the latest rumors and leaks surrounding a highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Ultra. With excitement building up for Samsung's next flagship, there's plenty to discuss. From design changes to powerful camera upgrades, let's get into all the details. Design. First up, let's talk about the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design. According to leaks, Samsung is refining the look with flatter sides and rounded corners, enhancing comfort when holding the device. It's also expected to be around 14 grams lighter than the S24 Ultra, making it easier to handle. With an improved screen-to-body ratio and smaller bezels, the phone is set to offer an even sleeker, more modern appearance. While the build material is likely to remain titanium, Samsung might upgrade to a higher-grade titanium, although this remains unconfirmed. These changes would give the Galaxy S25 Ultra a premium feel, sure to turn heads. Camera. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to deliver impressive camera capabilities, maintaining its standout 200MP main sensor, known for capturing incredibly detailed and high-quality images. This sensor has been a highlight in previous models and continues to be a powerhouse for both photography and videography. The real excitement lies in the rumored 50MP ultrawide lens. This upgrade is a significant leap from the standard 12MP ultrawide lenses seen in most smartphones. The 50MP sensor could dramatically improve wide-angle shots, offering more detail, better low-light performance, and reduced distortion. It's designed to capture expansive scenes with exceptional clarity, making it ideal for landscape photography or group shots. Additionally, Samsung is expected to retain the 10MP 3x telephoto lens, which excels in mid-range zoom scenarios, and the 50MP 5x periscope telephoto lens, which is perfect for long-range zoom photography. These telephoto lenses are pivotal in maintaining the Ultra's reputation for outstanding zoom capabilities, allowing users to capture distant subjects with sharpness and detail. With these upgrades, the Galaxy S25 Ultra promises to deliver professional-level results in both photography and videography, ensuring high-quality shots in various lighting conditions. Whether shooting in low light or bright environments, the combination of advanced sensors and Samsung's improved image processing should make the S25 Ultra a top contender for best smartphone camera. Processor. Now, on to performance. Early rumors hinted at Samsung using MediaTek chips for some variants, but it's looking more likely that all models will feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. This would provide superior processing power and energy efficiency, making the Galaxy S25 Ultra a top performer for gaming, multitasking, and AI-driven features. Battery. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a robust 5,000 mAh battery, providing substantial power to meet the demands of heavy usage. This large battery is paired with 45 kW fast charging, allowing users to recharge quickly, ensuring minimal downtime. With this combination, users should be able to get through a full day on a single charge, even when engaging in resource-intensive tasks such as gaming, 4K video recording, or multitasking between apps. In addition to its large battery capacity, the S25 Ultra is expected to include Samsung's AI-powered battery management system. This technology optimizes power consumption by learning user habits and adjusting background processes accordingly. The result is a potential battery life improvement of around 10%, helping to extend usage time and reducing the need for frequent recharges. The standard Galaxy S25 is rumored to feature a 4,000 mAh battery, which is slightly smaller but still capable of delivering reliable performance for everyday use. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 Plus may come with a 4,900 mAh battery, providing a middle ground between the base model and the Ultra. All models of the S25 series are designed to offer solid battery endurance, but the Ultra model, with its larger battery and advanced power management, is likely to be the most resilient for power users who require extended battery life. Other features. Looking at additional features, the Galaxy S25 Ultra may introduce satellite connectivity, a feature that could enhance emergency communication in remote areas. RAM is expected to top out at 16 GB for the Ultra model, with faster UFS storage for improved speed. Despite all these advancements, pricing is rumored to remain similar to the S24 series, making it an attractive upgrade for those seeking top-tier specs without breaking the bank. In summary, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a formidable flagship, with design refinements, major camera upgrades, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, and improved battery life. Are you excited for the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.